Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from GIS Cafe. I'm here with Francois Erso, VP and General Manager at Hashtag. Hello, Francois.
How are you, Sanjay?
I'm doing great. Francois, how's the show been going for you?
The show is great. You know, San Diego, early July, nice weather. And as usual with this ESRI Users Conference, it's a very solid organization. Mm-hmm. So we have a very, very solid attendance ourselves. There are, visitors in and out, very, very happy.
That's great. What are you showing here at your booth?
Well, we are introducing this product, Mobile Mapper 100. Okay. So Mobile Mapper is our GIS range. Hashtag has been using Mobile Mapper as a name for our suite of GIS products for now around 6-8 years. Okay. And this is the last introduction, just introduced yesterday in the market. And I can tell you this is just an incredible piece of technology. So Hashtag is in the commercial GPS space. So what we are doing is bring to users accuracy in the field for their data collection applications. So this is a product which is capable of delivering up to centimeter accuracy in the field within a handheld form factor. This is absolutely a breakthrough in the business, and now either for map building or data maintenance, our GIS customers, they may go in the field and collect data that way in a handheld form factor. Okay. Not only we are talking about accuracy, we are talking about a piece of equipment which is really field designed, very rugged, fully waterproof, withstanding incredible harsh conditions of environment. And finally, very open platform, Windows Mobile Standards, a lot of connectivity, GPRS, and so on and so forth, in order that a number of software partners may put their content onto that unit. Surely. And finally yield the right solution for the customer. Okay. So this is Mobile Mapper 100 again, a centimeter capable product in a handheld form factor, just introduced here in the conference. Okay.
And how much does Mobile Mapper 100 cost?
Well, this is a product which is in the, let's say, $4-5K dollar range for obviously demanding users which really are keen on getting accuracy for their jobs.
Okay. And can you give examples of the type of people who will use this?
Well, I think, what's going on now today is that accuracy is kind of a trend. There is an addiction to it. The more you get, the more you want. Now we see typically utilities pretty ahead of the game, and especially in the water management side of this sector, we see more and more demand. But there are other examples.
But how do you get to the centimeter level accuracy with this, particularly since GPS satellites are not supposed to give you that kind of data?
That's a good question, Sanjay. Yeah, right. So as you know, in professional GNSS, in fact, what you need to get is not only your own data, so collecting GNSS data from your own receiver, but you need also to augment that with other data coming from what we call base stations. So in the past, users had to set up their own base stations, but what we see now developing more and more are networks of those base stations. So through cell phones, through GPRS or CDMA, you may pay a small fee and get those data and take advantage of them and improve the accuracy of the unit, of your operating unit in the field. So it's really a new technique which is rising big time, which has been primarily used by surveyors initially, and is now penetrating the GIS user community.
And who do you compete with?
Well, we compete in our space mostly with what we call yellow boxes, so Trimble and also others. Okay. These are our most important competitors. Okay.
And how can people find out more about Hashtag?
Well, I would like to talk a bit about Hashtag, because Hashtag is a big name in the industry, has been around for more than 25 years now, in fact. But we were known previously and formerly as Magellan Professional, because Hashtag has been part of Magellan for around 10 years. Now the company split it in two around a year ago. And we decided to rename ourselves Hashtag, which has been one of our strong brands anyway for the last 15 years. So that's important to keep all of that in mind, because today with Mobile Mapper 100, what you can see is an incredible set of GNSS technologies, which is the Hashtag legacy. But this is also benefiting from all the know-how of the Magellan years. 10 years with Magellan brought to us an incredible capacity of designing handheld products, very compact and very rugged products that GIS really users want and like. So this is really the benefit of all those steps in the company that make the Hashtag of today.
Okay, now how big is Hashtag?
So Hashtag is, it's around a 200 people company today.
Okay.
What I would like to stress, it's a worldwide group. We are active across continents. We have our headquarters in France, but we have a strong presence in Russia with design centers, and also in the US with our base in Santa Clara, and sales forces across the globe, also in China, in Singapore, in South America, and so on.
Okay, and are you a public company or privately held company?
We are a privately held company, and our shareholder is Shah Capital Partners, which is based in Palo Alto.
Any plans to go public soon?
Not at this point.
Okay. And finally, how can people find out more about Hashtag?
Well, many ways. I think we just introduced a new website, so please go and visit hashtag.com. I think you will see a lot there. But I would like also to say that, and that's primary for GIS users, we really do believe in the online media for providing and delivering information to the GIS community. GIS users, engineers, scientists, officers are really IT savvy. Customers, and then GIS Cafe, for example, is a very good partner for us in order to convey the message, to talk about our user cases, and so on and so forth. So really, through the web, ours, but also yours, Sanjay, we can, I think, really share what we do at Hashtag.
That's great. Thank you very much, Francois. Have a great show.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.